27th हम लोग we will all be leaving from Agartala for Delhi अभियान. Almost 1,500 people, close to 1,500 people will be going to Delhi. We will be protesting in Jantar Mantar. Our demand being very specific for Tipra land, Greater Tipra land. Our demand being for the early passing of 125th Amendment in the Parliament. Demand for Kogborok in Roman script. Our demand for repealing of CAA. And most importantly, our demand for Thansa. मैं और एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि IPFT is also going to accompany us. We have always said that when we go to Delhi, we should not be speaking in different parties. We should be speaking as one Jati. So IPFT and Tipra Motha will be speaking in the same voice. We will be giving a common memorandum, and we are working in a process where in the short coming months we will jointly be asking the government of India to give the indigenous people of Tripura a homeland, a state of their own, under Article 2 and 3 of the Indian Constitution. 27 तारीख को हम लोग निकल रहे हैं. पूरा शेड्यूल आपको हम दे देंगे. जंतर मंतर में हमारा प्रोटेस्ट 30th और 1st को है. I am also appealing to all the local media, regional media, national media. प्लीज़ हमें भी कवर कीजिए. हम लोग भी त्रिपुरा का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है. And ensure that we are looked after and our news is passed on to not only the people of Tripura but across the country. If you have any questions regarding this, then I am more than happy to answer. Our president is sitting with me. Ananta Babu is sitting with me. Brishiketu is there. My YTF president is there. If there is any question related to Delhi Abhiyan, I will be more than happy to answer.